Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like neon animated text effect on CapCut PC. Go to text, add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in the word neon. I'm also going to change the font as well. Then I am going to select the color that I want for the neon sign. I haven't really done orange, so let's try that. And then I am just going to go to effects, go to comic, and add in the neon outline on top. It's going to turn it yellow, but you know, it's fine. Then I'm going to go to lens as well, and I'm going to select the glow, the edge glow on top of that. You can also add in angel, but I'm not sure how it's gonna look. Let's see. Okay, but just adjust the strength a little bit because you don't want a lot like that, probably. And then you are going to, like for the animation, you're going to go to nightclub and you're going to add in black flash. You're going to put the speed to like 2% or like 1. And you're just going to do this, do the same thing that I'm doing right now. And just like adjust it and like put it in like random spots like so to create like the neon flashing lights. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!